So many people are still interacting with advanced AI tools as if they are just searching on a slightly smarter version of Google. If the content you are generating feels distinctly robotic or your complex code snippets keep failing unexpectedly, you are undoubtedly using the wrong foundational model for the job. In this rapidly evolving technological landscape of 2026, the balance of AI capability has decisively shifted towards new contenders. Today, I am presenting the definitive end-to-end guide on mastering Claude AI, which is now officially outperforming the previous competition in complex reasoning tasks. Let's be completely honest. While models like GPT excel wonderfully at structured logic and pure mathematical computation, Claude possesses a far more nuanced and almost human-like soul in its output. For the entire spectrum of American professionals, from creative content producers to software developers and ambitious business owners, that massive 200K context window is the single greatest game-changing feature available right now. You now have the unprecedented power to input a document as dense as a 500-page technical PDF or even an entire legacy codebase directly into the system. The AI will not simply provide a shallow summary. Instead, it deeply comprehends the subtle relationships and inherent nuances buried within that massive amount of data. You will notice that other systems often rely on tired, overused phrases like delve into or comprehensive analysis, which instantly flag the text as machine-generated. Conversely, Claude's writing style mimics that of a seasoned, sharp senior editor at a prestigious major publication, elevating your prose significantly. Ultimately, the experience transitions from interacting with a simple automated bot to collaborating with a highly capable, intelligent professional partner. If you are still operating outside of the dedicated projects feature, I can confidently say that you are sacrificing an enormous amount of valuable operational time. You should conceptualize each project as a persistent, specialized digital brain, specifically configured for one singular, ongoing task or objective. Within that project, you can permanently upload your unique brand voice guidelines, all your essential technical documentation, and examples of your highest quality past work. Once configured, every subsequent chat thread initiated within that specific project immediately possesses the complete institutional knowledge of your entire operation. Moving on to the revolutionary artifacts feature. This is the specific mechanism that elevates Claude from a mere text-based chat box into a fully functional creative workstation. Are you in need of a perfectly structured, modern React component for your application's interface? Perhaps you require an insightful, instantly generated marketing dashboard layout or a visually engaging, interactive data chart for a presentation. Claude doesn't just output the static script for these items. It actively constructs the functional element right there in an adjacent side window for you to inspect. Crucially, this means you are not just receiving static output, but rather interacting with a truly living, instantly editable digital artifact. Now, we must discuss the absolute heavyweight feature of the 2026 suite: the advanced Claude Code capabilities. We have moved far beyond the era of merely asking for a simple, isolated code snippet based on a vague instruction. Leveraging the new command line interface and powerful agentic features, you can now issue high-level directives like scan my entire repository, locate the precise bug in the authentication flow, and resolve it completely. The system will not simply suggest lines of corrected code for you to copy and paste. It proactively executes the fix within a safe, isolated sandbox environment. For all the company founders and dedicated builders watching this video, this capability is the key to compressing an entire week of intensive development work down into a single productive afternoon. It intelligently utilizes a built-in plan mode to meticulously think through every potential outcome before it commits to an action, saving you from those catastrophic oops moments that derail all momentum. My single most effective secret sauce for unlocking peak performance is to completely stop asking simple questions and start issuing highly specific, well-defined operational roles. Instead of a generic request like write a short social media post, you should instruct it. You are now a world-class SEO strategist possessing a distinct, dry sense of humor. Analyze this specific data and uncover the most controversial, high-engagement angle. Claude stands alone as the only leading AI system that truly excels at what is known as constitutional reasoning, making its outputs inherently safer and dramatically smarter. This foundational intelligence means the model is significantly less prone to those distracting confidence, breaking hallucinations when operating under complex or high-stakes pressure. If you are serious about implementing this advanced technique immediately, You can find my comprehensive, ready-to-use God Mode prompt template linked directly in the description box below. Ensure you hit that subscribe button right now so you can always remain several steps ahead of the rapidly accelerating general AI curve. Thank you for tuning in, and I eagerly anticipate seeing you next time when we break down the next major technological leap.